A pair colorful PVC invisible automatic magnetic snaps fasteners button for Ove. A pair colorful PVC invisible automatic magnetic snaps fasteners button for overcoat bag garment. Accessories scrapbooking DIY. Overview. Magnetic snaps are a type of fastener that uses magnets to hold two pieces of fabric together. They are often used in clothing, bags, and other accessories. Invisible magnetic snaps are a type of magnetic snap that is completely hidden from view when the two pieces of fabric are joined together. This makes them a good option for use in garments where the fasteners should not be visible, such as dresses or blouses. Features. This pair of colorful PVC invisible automatic magnetic snaps has a number of features that make them a good choice for a variety of applications. These features include strong magnets. The magnets in these snaps are strong enough to hold two pieces of fabric together securely. Easy to use. The snaps are easy to attach and detach. Invisible. The snaps are completely hidden from view when the two pieces of fabric are joined together. Durable. The snaps are made of durable PVC material that is resistant to wear and tear. Applications. These invisible magnetic snaps can be used in a variety of applications, including clothing. These snaps can be used to fasten garments such as dresses, blouses, skirts, and pants. Bags. These snaps can be used to fasten bags such as purses, totes, and backpacks. Other accessories. These snaps can be used to fasten other accessories such as hats, scarves, and jewelry. Conclusion. If you are looking for a strong, easy to use, and invisible magnetic snap, then this pair of colorful PVC invisible automatic magnetic snaps is a good option for you. They are perfect for use in a variety of applications, including clothing, bags, and other accessories. Pros. Strong magnets. Easy to use. Invisible. Durable. Cons. None. Rating. 5 out of 5 stars.